Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again I'm here with another interesting video. Today we will talk about the text animation. So we will use text tool to write the text. Say for example, hello. So the text properties can be changed from the properties window, the family, the style, the size. You can type the size here by simply clicking this option. So right now we have selected the size 40 with green color, and family is Verdana and style is regular. After this, once you have typed this text, you can even resize or transform by using transform tool, and then we will bring it in the center of the stage. Now we will use select tool. Okay, here in this animation we want the different letters to come from different directions and then join together at the end. So how to do it? First of all, we will have to break this text. So right click on the text and then use break apart. Right click again and then use distribute to layers. So you will observe that multiple layers have been created automatically. From the bottom, the layer number 6, when you will select the layer number 6, you will observe the letter H is already selected. So we will rename this layer to H, and then select this E letter, change the layer name to E. Select this letter L and change the layer name to L. Select this letter L and change this layer name to L2, O, and then O. So now we will have an extra layer, which is the first layer. So no need for this layer, delete it. Fine. Now we will change the colors of the letters so that it will have a good impact later on. Okay. So select each letter and then use a different color for it. That's it. Now what we have to do, at frame number 1 we want all these letters to be here in the center of the stage, and then at frame number 10, for example, select the 10 frames for all the layers by simply dragging the mouse button and then press F6 to insert the keyframes. So at frame number 10, the letter H, you will have to move this on a particular layer, come to a particular layer and then move this letter particular position. Here we have placed it on the top left corner. So the next letter, then we are having letter L, the other letter L, and this letter O, for example here. All layers at frame number 10 we have placed the letters at different positions. Now select the 20th frame for all the layers and then press F6 to insert the keyframe, and then select a particular layer and then bring the letter back to a particular position. Wherever you want to place. So select the layer and bring the letter in the center. So that's it. Now you will observe that at frame number 10 the position of the letters are here, and at frame number 20th they are coming here again. So we will select all of them and then we will move in the center. So at frame number 20 their position will be here. So what we simply have to do is select any frame, say 5, for all the layers, and then right click, say create classic tween. Again select any frame between frame number 10 and 20 for all the layers, right click and then create classic tween. So your animation is ready to execute. Okay, this is a little fast, so in order to slow down this we will change its frame per second value to 5. Execute again. If you want to stop the letters for certain time, say for example 2 seconds, here we have used 5 frames per second, so we will insert another keyframe on frame number 30th for all the layers. So it will stop the letters for 2 seconds after execution. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you very much.